My sister and brother, have you ever wondered if Allah is truly guiding you in your life? Maybe you feel lost, confused, or unsure about the path you are on. Today I want to share with you 5 clear signs that Allah is guiding you right now. These are subtle, powerful indications through your heart, the people around you, your circumstances, and the divine wisdom in the Quran and Sunnah. Stay with me, because recognizing these signs will not only strengthen your faith, but also bring peace and clarity to your heart. Life is full of choices, some simple and some incredibly difficult. At times you may feel confused, anxious, or overwhelmed when making decisions that could shape your future. Yet, there is a special sign that Allah is guiding you when your heart feels calm and certain, even amidst uncertainty. This inner peace is a divine compass, a gentle reassurance from your Creator that you are on the right path. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us that the heart is a guide when aligned with faith. When you sincerely turn to Allah in prayer, seeking His guidance through dua and reflection, He instills clarity and serenity in your heart. This peace may come as a subtle feeling, a quiet confidence, a lack of hesitation, or a sense that this is right, even if the situation appears challenging or complex. It's important to recognize and trust this feeling, for Allah often guides silently through tranquility in the heart rather than outward signs. Conversely, confusion, persistent anxiety, or discomfort may be indicators that further reflection or patience is needed. So whenever you face difficult decisions, pause, make dua, and listen to your heart. That calm, unwavering sense of certainty is one of the clearest signs that Allah is guiding you, gently leading you toward what is best for your faith, life, and ultimate success. One of the clearest signs that Allah is guiding you is when opportunities, solutions, or paths seem to open with ease, without unnecessary struggle or forced effort. Life often tests us with obstacles, delays, and hardships. But when things begin to flow naturally in a way that aligns with goodness and benefit, it is a divine indication that Allah is guiding your steps. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us that Allah facilitates the path of His servants who seek what is right. When you sincerely rely on Him, make dua, and strive in a way that is permissible and good, He opens doors that lead to blessing, safety, and success. These doors may appear as unexpected opportunities, helpful people, timely advice, or circumstances falling into place in ways beyond your planning. It is important to note that effortless does not mean complete inaction. It means that while you do your part sincerely, Allah removes unnecessary obstacles and guides the outcome. You may face challenges, but there is a sense of flow and ease in your heart that confirms you are on the right track. So, when you notice doors opening smoothly, trust in Allah's guidance. Embrace the path He is making easy for you, and move forward with confidence, gratitude, and reliance on Him, knowing that this effortless opening is a direct sign of His care and direction in your life. Sometimes in life, you face choices that confuse the mind and challenge the heart. You may weigh pros and cons, seek advice, and still feel uncertain. Yet there is a subtle yet profound sign that Allah is guiding you. A deep feeling of conviction or clarity in your heart. This is when your heart knows the right path before your mind fully understands it. It is a quiet assurance that the choice you are leaning toward aligns with what is good and pleasing to Allah. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us to trust the guidance of the heart when it is rooted in faith, knowledge, and sincere intention. When you turn to Allah in dua, reflect upon the Quran, and seek His wisdom, your heart can experience a profound clarity that cuts through confusion and doubt. This feeling is often gentle, a sense of certainty, lightness, or inner calm, even if the decision seems difficult from the outside. It is important to distinguish this divine clarity from impulsiveness or emotional desire. True guidance brings peace, not anxiety. When your heart feels aligned and convinced, move forward with trust in Allah, for this inner certainty is one of the clearest signs that He is gently leading you toward what is best for your faith, life, and ultimate success. One of the most powerful signs that Allah is guiding you is when your heart finds direction, comfort, or clarity through the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Quran is not just a book. It is a living guidance for the heart, mind, and soul. When you sincerely seek answers in it, verses may resonate deeply, giving insight and illuminating the path forward. Similarly, the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam provides practical examples of how to navigate life's challenges with patience, wisdom, and faith. When you face decisions, trials, or moments of doubt, turning to Allah through His words brings clarity. Perhaps a verse speaks to your situation in a way that feels almost personal, or the example of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam shows the proper approach to a problem. This guidance often comes gently, inspiring confidence and peace in the heart and reminding you that you are not alone. It is important to approach the Quran and Sunnah with sincerity, reflection, and an open heart. As you do so, Allah illuminates the way, strengthens your faith, and reassures you that His wisdom is always present. Finding guidance through these sources is a clear sign that Allah is leading you toward what is best in this life and the hereafter. Another clear sign that Allah is guiding you is when He surrounds you with people, advice, or circumstances that steer you toward good and keep you away from harm. Sometimes guidance comes not through books or internal feelings, but through the interactions, opportunities, and events that Allah places in your life. These people and moments act as instruments of His divine wisdom, gently nudging you toward what is right and beneficial for your faith and your future. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam emphasized the importance of righteous companionship and guidance. Being around those who remind you of Allah, encourage you to do good, and advise you with sincerity is a sign of His care and direction. Similarly, certain events, whether opportunities, challenges, or even obstacles, can be clear markers that Allah is steering you away from what is harmful and toward what is beneficial. It is important to remain attentive and reflective, recognizing these blessings as signs rather than coincidences. Take sincere advice, observe the outcomes of events, and see how they align with your well-being and deen. When Allah uses people or circumstances to guide you, it is a mercy and a sign of His closeness. Trust these indications, follow them with faith, and move forward with reliance on Allah. Always remember, guidance from Allah is a mercy, and His signs are all around us, in our hearts, our choices, the people we meet, and the events that unfold. When you recognize these signs, hold firmly to your faith, follow the path He lights for you, and trust in His wisdom. No matter how uncertain life feels, know that Allah is always with you, gently guiding, protecting, and caring for you. Keep your heart connected to Him, and you will never walk alone.